Welcome back to another video. We have to be really quick because it's currently 5:55 in the morning. What are we about to do, James?
We're at the Phi Phi Islands.
Yeah, we're in a full morning tour from 6:30 until 10:30.
It's just so early. You're just knackered all the time. Yeah, nice and early. And but you want to be early on this boat trip, just to get there before everyone else.
Otherwise it's going to be too busy.
Stay here. So, got these little huts, and we're up around the corner over there. Nice, and then there's a little pool by here as well. Yeah, let's do this.
We're currently going to Maya Bay as a first stop. But look at the gorgeous view.
Wow. It's quite deep as well. Look at it. That's a fucking amazing, mate.
It's amazing, isn't it?
This is so gorgeous.
This is beautiful. Look how gorgeous it is here. This is Maya Bay, famously known for the beach. It's also a national park. And yeah, it's a national park, so you're not actually allowed to go in the water. But somebody just went in the water and he was just scolded by basically the, what is it? Scolded by the security type thing.
Checked out and said this. We've seen it before, but it's 100,000 baht fine, which is about £2,303.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't go.
Just respect your space. That's all. So you're not allowed in the water because it protects the coral reefs and also the sharks, because there's like breeding programs and stuff. And apparently it's riddled with baby sharks, so you know you might have some nibbles otherwise.
But it's beautiful. Nice. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So that was eventful. James thought he was really good at snorkeling. Turns out he's not.
I wasn't snorkeling, I was surviving, but I survived.
Oh, what's backpackers?
Oh my god!
Every day you see oh my god!
No, I don't think so. Have you ever seen Batman in the water?
There's a tour guide in the back.
I know, this water is amazing.
Yes, for perfect. So James is gonna jump in the lagoon now.
Yeah. Hello, please subscribe. Thank you.
I came in like a cannonball. Woo! was so good. And we will help you.
I'm stuck. This is where I will die.
This might make us a better one.
I'm gonna go to that route, innit?
Yeah, go down that one. I think you have to be as close as possible. Right, you put the stuff down, I'll help.
What's up?
How do you feel?
Exhausted.
Yeah.
Put me easy, huh? Jesus.
Man!
I'm Batman.
This place just for show, look like a museum. This is the business zone.
Oh my god, that's so nice, isn't it? Love you. You could be in the Maldives right now. But guess what? We're in Thailand. Wow, we're at Long Island, Phi Phi. Let's go snorkeling.
Time to brush up on my snorkeling skills because they are shit. I'm weird. What happens when you buy cheap goggles and snorkels from the market? You keep on fucking leaking.
Good morning from the Welsh Backpackers. We've just checked out from our hotel now, and we're on our way to Krabi. We're going to be going via the ferry. This cost us about £11 each, and we had a transfer to the hotel included. We've just checked out. We're leaving Phi Phi Islands today, so we're just going to end the vlog here and start a new one now, ready for Krabi. So we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Especially the like button. That helps us a lot. It just pushes the videos out a little bit more. And
guess
65% of you are not subscribed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So make sure you hit that subscribe.
Because guess what? We're
unemployed.
See you in the next one.